Why do dogs snore? Before we answer that question, make sure to subscribe and get notified for latest updates. It's one thing to have a partner who keeps you awake at night, but having a dog who snores is another. At the very least, you'll be able to tell your spouse to stop. What makes certain dogs snore louder than others? You may have questioned what is causing your dog's snoring, whether you find it adorable or annoying. Is there any way to persuade them to stop your dog's snore? We investigate why some dogs snore more than others and how we can address the problem. Let's find out. What causes dogs to snore? When it comes to understanding why dogs snore, it's crucial to first consider what causes your dog to start snoring in the first place. Or, is it perfectly normal for dogs snoring? When air tries to travel via the throat or nasal cavities, it becomes obstructed, causing snoring and noisy breathing. Snoring is induced by vibrations in the upper airway, which usually occur during inhalation. Obstructive sleep apnea is a common cause of snoring in people, but it's a rare diagnosis in dogs. So, what causes dogs to snore? Snoring isn't one of the health issues, it's a symptom. It can be caused by anything from excess weight to your dog's anatomy, so if your dog is snoring more than usual, it's crucial to have them looked out rather than to conclude immediately about health problems. The most common reasons for snoring in dogs are, number 1, your dog's breed. Snoring sound is more common in some breeds than in others. Brachycephalic dogs, such as pugs, Pekingese, and bulldogs, have flat faces. They have small noses and flattened faces as a result of this. Despite the fact that their faces are shorter, they have the same amount of soft palate, the fleshy area between the nose and the throat. When air is pulled in, certain parts of the palate can move back and forth, generating noisy breathing. Flat-faced dogs also have smaller nasal openings, nares, which means the airflow has to work harder to get in. These dog breeds snore more frequently than others. On the other hand, snoring might indicate major health issues, especially in these breeds. These require veterinarian treatment, so don't just assume everything is fine. Number 2, Fur Mom, your puppy is gaining extra weight. Obesity is one of the most common causes of snoring in humans, and it is the same with your dog who snores loudly. Weight problems cause extra tissue, and any extra tissue around the nose and neck can narrow the airway, resulting in dog snoring and restricted air passage. Helping dogs to lose weight is a good choice, Fur Mom. When he sleeps, the dog's throat rings in his trachea and can compress or close. According to the Association for Pet Obesity Prevention, more than half of all dogs are overweight or obese, APOP. Number 3, your dog's sleeping position. Your dog's sleeping habits, like ours, may be limiting his airways and creating your dog's snoring. Physically shifting your dog, lying him down on his side rather than his back, is a straightforward cure for this. You may also buy a tiny pillow for your dog to sleep on or a bed with one built in to make it less likely that he will roll over on his back. So, there's nothing to worry about your dog's loud snoring sounds. Number 4, obstruction. This is arguably the most alarming of the snoring reasons. It is also one that will almost certainly necessitate veterinary assistance. Something may be producing a blockage in their airway, generating turbulent airflow, which causes noisy breathing and snoring in a dog who has never snored before. Anything from a grass seed caught up the nose to polyps, benign tumors, and abscesses can cause these obstructions. Tumors of the nose, palate, and throat, as well as scarring from injuries, can be more dangerous. Older dogs may have a condition in which their vocal cords do not open as well as they once did, laryngeal paralysis. When they breathe, this results in loud snoring sounds. Although not always, obstructions in the nasal passages or palate can cause nasal discharge, blood, mucus, or pus, to come out of one or both nostrils. Number 5, allergies or infections cause snoring in dogs. Many of the same things that cause allergies in humans also cause sensitivities in dogs, including dust, pollen, perfume, and other pets. all of which can cause airway constriction and snoring. Dogs also experience the common cold. Due to airway constriction and congestion, dogs with allergies may be more prone to snoring. If you have allergies, you know how awful congestion can get and how difficult it may be to breathe through your nose. Allergens can promote mucus buildup and airway constriction, which both contribute to snoring. Number 6. Your dog suddenly started snoring? You know your dog's normal better than anyone, and you'll notice if he shifts from a sound sleeper to a logsar. If your dog has never snored in its life, that means there's a mass somewhere impeding their breathing, either in their nose, voice box, windpipe, or anywhere in their respiratory system. This tumor could be anything from an enlarged lymph node to a foreign object lodged in the trachea, therefore I advise seeing a veterinarian as soon as possible rather than waiting too long. What can I do to make my dog snore less? If your dog prefers to sleep on its back, encouraging them to sleep on their side may be beneficial. Nighttime noise can also be reduced by elevating their heads with a pillow. Dogs who suffer from respiratory allergies will benefit from living in a smoke-free environment. Air fresheners and scented candles can also induce problems in sensitive dogs, so these should be avoided. Washing them down after walks to eliminate pollen, walking at times of day when pollen counts are low, such as early mornings or evenings, and washing their bedding on a daily basis can also assist. Thorough vacuuming of the house on a regular basis will help to prevent dust and spores that can irritate the airway. Humidifiers can improve the quality of the air you breathe. Dog owners, keeping your dog on a healthy diet and engaging in regular exercise that is appropriate for their size and energy levels will benefit them in a variety of ways. Having a skinny dog, on the other hand, will almost surely lower the likelihood of snoring, which may be a handy incentive for all you sleep-deprived dog parents out there. Other reasons for snoring dogs can be dental problems, fungal disease, rhinitis, and tumors can all cause your dog to snore, which is why it's crucial to have your dog examined by a veterinarian to establish the cause. Snoring is a symptom, not a health problem. If your dog has started snoring or is having trouble sleeping, have them checked out by a veterinarian to rule out any underlying medical problems. Our conclusion is that dogs snore a lot, and it's usually quite natural. If your pet needs veterinarian care, there are a few general guidelines to follow. There are some basic changes that can be made to reduce snoring. People and cats can benefit from a good night's sleep. However, for some dog owners, earplugs may be the only way to get a good night's sleep. If you find this video helpful, share this to your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe and get notified for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.